And we talk about Omaha, where we got a good weekend, 79 degrees on Sunday. The sun is out. Showers come back for Monday, but then they're out of here by Tuesday. And we keep a couple of dry days in place with temperatures in the 70s, not too far from average. So that's the kind of week a lot of you are going to have. We do have a couple of systems, and the system number 2 that we're going to track does form from the west, tracks into the southern plains. It starts a little further south, but then it moves up. You know, our jet stream is going to be very zonal next week, moving pretty much from west to east across the country. And so without a lot of ups and downs in the jet stream, you'll just see these systems moving right along here, step aside, step along here, as they say. And you're going to be watching for, yes, some showers, possibly some thunderstorms. It is May, so there'll be some instability in the atmosphere, especially on Tuesday. We'll see what happens out ahead of that cold front. You know, how much heating do we get? There's not going to be a ton of jet stream energy there. That'll be a little farther north in places like Louisville, and the winds will be stronger. You're right underneath the jet, so we've got some stronger winds at about 10,000 feet, 59-mile-per-hour winds, but you notice there's not really any turning of the winds with height, so it's really just about that speed shear, which could contribute to some thunderstorms. So we'll watch for that. Wednesday's forecast, system goes into the northeast, couple of showers, couple of storms, and then it's out of here. Is the heat out of here anytime soon, Steph?
Toronto, Winslow, Sarasota, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Mattawa,
Have you been to any of those places, or maybe these places? DCA on the left-hand side of your screen and SYR on the right-hand side of your screen. That would be DC's Reagan National and also Syracuse's Hancock International, just 2 of the more than 5,000 public airports in the U.S. And each airport has their own code, and it's 3 letters. And meteorologists tend to know these codes because a lot of observations are taken at airports. So those of you who fly a lot will know some of these airport codes. So we're going to do a little game with Jen and Jim to try to guess the airport code. Now, I think our producers have made this like extraordinarily hard, guys. So I feel for you on these. I'm going to try to give you as much help as I can.
No, I'm looking at the temperature in Atlanta. She still has her coat on.
He said he can't. You can't look. But we also had, it's cold, Jim. All right.
Yeah, it's 50. So I get it.
Fun with these too. 50, thank you. The first one is EAT, eat. A lot of people have their own airport codes in their homes right now, so maybe that's the airport code for your kitchen. Well, this airport only has 3 commercial flights per day to all the same airport, 1.7 inches of rain so far this year, so it's their driest start. All-time record high, 109 setback in 2015. Is it Eatonton, Georgia, Wendell, North Carolina, or Wenatchee, Wisconsin? Now, here's your hint, guys. This should be able to help you get the answer right. There are 3 flights a day to Seattle.
All right. You just made it up.
That's your there you go. Thank you. You both got C, exactly right.
Did they really get to 109? No, that's amazing.
Clyde Pangborn.
It's been really dry up there this year. That was a good clue.
First pilot to fly nonstop across the Pacific Ocean in 1931. We're going to see great weather there. All right, how about BED? Maybe that is your code for your master bedroom. The Beatles landed at this airport during their first U.S. tour in 1964. Today's average high is 64. The latest freeze on record, May 28, 1968. Hanscom Field, if that helps you at all. Does that help you at all?
Jim had to get that one, and I did too.
There you go. B, you both got that one. All right, how about this one? We have a minute left. LOL, which a lot of, oh, sorry, the forecast for Bedford, Mass. Let's do that first real quick here. Rain today, but beautiful weekend. All right, you might be LOLing at this one here. The elevation, 3,900 feet. Its hottest it's been all year is 88. The average only gets 0.6 inches of rain in May. Okay, so this one's a little tricky. Loveland, Colorado, Lovelock, Nevada, or Loveville, Wyoming. This one might be not what you think when you first see the, well, elevation. That'll take out a couple there, I think, for you. Focus on the elevation part.
I went with the Lovelock.
B is correct. The elevation part was key, I think. Yes, it is Lovelock, Nevada.
I despise her.
Oh, you know we're so competitive.
Listen, it was really fun, and they were all really tough. We will see nice weather here into Lovelock, Nevada there
I've never
for
even
you.
heard of Lovelock.
And there are some fun airport codes for you. Doha, Qatar. Don't